Okay, so this is a little bit more about the different kinds of brushes and how you're going to use them. The smaller brushes are really going to be for your ending details. So when you start your design, try to use a bigger brush. Get as much of the design as you can out with a bigger brush, and then when you get to the edges or the ends where you want it to be really clean and detailed, you want to go with the smaller brushes. And I'll show you sort of an example here. Like on this design here, you want to start out with as wide a brush as you can that's going to fill this line, right? Because it's going to save you a lot of time as opposed to doing it with a small brush. So once you get this out, leave the tips and the edges, and then you want to go in with one of your small detail brushes and fill in the edges there. And again, make sure that the brushes are fairly hard so that they actually have a really clean line there. Okay?